everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is going to be an extreme organise with me. Now, what you're about to see is about 10 minutes worth of video, I'm hoping, but it actually took me a fair few hours, quite a long time, to get through all of this. I organised, I would say, about 10 different areas in the house, and I could have put them into different videos, like all different videos, but I thought I'll just put them into one big video because I would find that really satisfying to watch. I love watching somewhere that's cluttered or messy suddenly in just a minute or so become clean and tidy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was so good to get this done, especially in the lead up to Christmas as well. Today's video has been sponsored by Audible, and the reason that I wanted to mention them in this particular video is because I love listening to audiobooks and podcasts while I'm cleaning, tidying and organising. I actually find it really therapeutic, and if I can listen to something like that, then I actually look forward to doing it. And I don't get that much time to actually sit down and open a book and read these days, so I find that I can take in a lot more information if I listen to audiobooks, because I can get work done and multitask at the same time. You can listen to audiobooks on your commute to work, if you're in the gym, and so I know some people like to listen to them when they're going to sleep as well. I actually used to record old episodes of Friends on a tape recorder and listen to them as I was going to sleep. So that just shows you how far we've come and how old I have just made myself sound. I love comedy. I've just started listening to Richard Ayoade's audiobook On Top, which so far is brilliant. I would really recommend it. And Audible have very kindly given me a code for a 30-day free trial that I can share with you guys. All you have to do is head to www.audible.com/katemurnane, or you can text Kate Murnane to 500 500, and with that you'll get to download one audiobook of your choice, and you also get 2 free Audible originals as well, so you can discover something new. So I'll leave all of that information in the description box below. Now let's get into the video. So this is probably one of the worst areas in the house. It's really upsetting me at the moment, so I just need to get all of this sorted and organised, really, so that the boys can get into these drawers, because they're just not using anything in there, so it's such a waste of their toys. So yeah, I'm really sorry. I've decided to do this when the sun is beaming through the windows, so I hope you can see everything okay and the light doesn't keep changing too much, but I need to get cracking on this, so let's go. I know I messed it up, but in my soul I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true. And if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't change my emotions. Come on, love me again. You're all I need. Can you love me again? I need. Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions. Change my emotions.
kinda feels like this. Oh, hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars. And you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be. What you say, wanna stay in a hotel, champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby, when I'm with you, I have the time of my life. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be.
Here's what I like: laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly.
So silly old me forgot to film an outro. I'm actually whispering right now because I've been filming this upstairs and Elliot has just come and snuck into our bed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this has given you some motivation if you need to organise some areas of your home. If you did enjoy it, then I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So goodbye from me and my snoring boy. We will see you very soon. Bye guys.